Pero pag makaraning kayo, para kayong buang. Sug ka mangiyod og lubot ha. Huwag mong lubutin si Roxy. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Magandang aga sa lahat. Wow, the sun is shining. The sun is shining really good. Yep. Look at it. Look at the sun. Yeah, I was awake at 5 o'clock. And then, yun guys, nag-i-edit ako kaunti. I-continue ko na lang sa baba. Yun na lang. So, good morning. It's 6:30. Papakainin. I'm just going to feed the animals. And then I'm going to edit the video, and then I will eat later. You were crying this morning. I know you weren't with me last night because I don't want you to be with me. You become a baby girl. You are such supposedly be strong man, not making so much crying. You become a girl. Yes, you become a girl. You cry too much. You cry too much. So I have to ignore you. Yeah, I have to ignore you because you just keep crying and that's it. Come here, Bug. I love you, Bug. Hey, no, I can't go over there. Come here, Dimple. Dimple. It's just good, girl. You want me to sing before you come in here with me? Ay nako, Bug. Ay nako, Dimple Lord. You're my princess, little baby cat. You guys hungry? I'm sure they're hungry. There's no dry food. I don't put any dry food. So, hi guys! Good morning again, guys! Oh my God! Tapos na akong nag-edit pero ano pa, ipa-finalize ko lang. Maliit na lang na finalization yung vlog. Anyway guys, I put you closer to my eyes, to my face because I want you closer to me. We're gonna get close to each other. We're gonna be close to each other, guys. I love you, guys. Baliw na ako. Baliw na ako sa'yo. Huh? Sa'yo na baliw na siya. Magluluto na naman ako ng pancake nito, guys. Kasi wala ng bread. Noon, guys, yung pagdating ko dito, ayaw ko talaga yung mga bread na yan, yung mga egg na yan. Gusto ko kung ano yung mga pang dinner, pang lunch, yun ang kainin ko. Ba't bigyan nyo ako ng bread at saka pancake? Ayaw ko talaga kumain ng pancake noon, guys. Pumunta kami, we went to IHOP. We go to IHOP most of the time. Not all the time, but we go, sometimes we go to IHOP. Marami silang pancake, diba? Mga 3-4, mga fat pancake. Maglagay ako ng guys kasi sobrang close kayo sa akin at saka kitang-kita na yung uga no. Ito guys, uga. I don't wanna eat pancake. I want steak, I want gulay, I want lauoy, I want pakbit, I want bihon. Yung mga ganyan guys, yung mga feeling na ganyan yung mga I think 3 years here. 2-3 years here I was here. Oh my God guys. I wanna have the rice and yung mga Filipino breakfast natin, yung mga bacon, tocino, mga fish, mga kahit ano pa, 'di ba sa atin kahit ano sa atin yung mga gulay-gulay na yan, yung mga gulay-gulay. Nag-inom taraw-taraw ako ba, nag-inom ng wine. So nahubog-hubog ako kagabi, guys. Nahubog-hubog talaga ako, guys. Pero yung pancake sa atin parang may margarine at saka white sugar na naka-sprinkle. At so yun, yung mga matamis na pancake. And I miss that kind of pancake, guys. We call it hot cake, guys. Meron kayong hot cake? Do you have hot cake? Yeah, we call it hot cake, guys. At saka matamis yun, guys. At saka so fluffy. At saka ilagay, you have to wrap it with, not really totally wrap it. You have to just like kind of flip and wrap it with put it in the banana leaves. Oh my God, I remember that. Yun ang gusto ko na pancake. So, because I'm Filipina, I'm gonna have coffee. And Mikey Bustos. Because we're Filipino, we're taking pictures. Anyway guys, I will see you later. I just keep talking and I don't know why. I think I know since, and I hope you guys still watch me. And then I love you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I really do appreciate for watching my video, and from the bottom of my heart right here, I appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. Hi guys, I'm done with my the two dogs are happy with their bones. I gave them that brown bone. They love that brown bone, guys. I can't connect to our Ring doorbell to my phone, and there's something wrong, but Tommy can, and I don't know why. For some reason I can't do it, and it's not connecting, and I don't know, maybe it's my phone or the app of my phone. Later on I'm gonna go out to get some dog food at saka liquid thing para sa sahig, kasi we don't have anymore the liquid gold. Patay you guys are tulog, pero pag makaraning kayo, para kayong buang. It's nice. It's 85 degrees out here. Sobrang saya. Gustong-gusto ko to. Ganito ba? Roxy just lying down over there. Roxy, I thought you're going to play. You're so lazy, Roxy. O, tignan natin. You wanna show Mitch? Show Mitch? Show. Do you wanna take a show na? Mahangin sa labas, Mitch. I'm going out to go get some what I need to get, and before that, I'm going to give my babies treats. Kasi wala ng pagkain. The dog doesn't have any food. Meron ba akong house? Okay. My friend contacted me. We're talking about the passport renewal, guys, kasi I still have, my passport is expired, and I hope it's okay. I'm not sure, you guys let me know. It's expired and I haven't go to, tignan nyo guys, oh, lumalaki talaga siya, guys. Eh, bakit kaya? It's June already. It's already halfway of the year, and oh my god, we're not moving here yet. The years go really fast. And also, what I'm gonna say is, can't believe it's June already, and it's really fast. The time goes really fast. Hi guys, I am home. And the first thing I have to do is let the dog out. Kain muna ako. Mag-snack lang ako kasi hindi naman talaga para later on marami akong makain sa mukbang ko. Alam nyo ba kung anong kakainin ko ngayon? Alam nyo ba? Oh, si Hubs. Alam ni Hubs na. Hubs know it. Alright, Hubs. I'm going to have the churros. Yay, churros! 425 degree oven. 425. Okay, ito pala yung binili ko, oh. Dog food. It's kind of expensive. That's why I don't get a lot of dog food because it's expensive over there. Oh, bumili ako ng bok choy, obviously. I don't like the Chinese cabbage. I like the bok choy, you know it. At saka ito, corn for, isa lang ang ilagay ko sa sa bulalo ko. Bulalo ba tawag doon or nilaga, ano ba? Ito yon, ito, ilagay ko lang to sa bag at ibutang sa refrigerator para hindi madait. Para hindi madaot ba? Naunsa man mo, eh. Na, guys, pag aron dili madaot ng kuan. Eh, pag madaot, napatay tayo dyan. Sayang. Ito din para bukas, para pagdating nila Tami, lutuin ko lang ito. Ito yung pork legs. It's big and that's a lot of skin and Tami love it. I'm gonna rotisserie. I buy another banana, guys, for banana bread because Tami like it and I like it. But I want that to be ripen. So, ito bukas, ito, lutuin ko to garlic with mozzarella cheese. No, garlic lang. Garlic at saka oil yun. At saka cheese. Ito din, string beans para sa ganyan. Alam nyo na. And then, ang churros ka. Malapit na matapos. Kasi gutom na ako. Transfer ko lang siya dun. Kasi I can't put the sugar here because it will going to melt. To go back to Trader Joe's with Tammy's one day. Ito, guys, ay. Just cooking my, I don't know how you call this dish. You guys can see this in my video. It's just kind of like nilagang baka. Tilawan natin. Tapusin ko lang tong niluluto ko. Kasi matagal siya, guys. Niluluto ko siya. I cooked it for a long time that I want the meat very tender. It's 8 o'clock in the evening. It's still nice out and hot outside. Okay. Kasi mayroon akong mga laundry na hindi ko na i-fold. Okay, ito yan, guys. So, punta tayo sa taas. Ganito. Sana walang mahulog. Ay, guys. Ito yung laundry na hindi ko nalabahan. Hindi ko na-fold. Dapat talaga naka-vlog din ito. Magba-vlog ka, i-vlog mo. Hala, sobrang init dito, guys. As in, it's so hot up here. Hold on, guys. Holy cow. This is really hot. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let me turn. It's like the, oh my god, it's 88 degree in up here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ano natin to? Ipa 60, uy. Ay, naku. Sobrang init. Dun sa baba, 80. Dito, 88. Sobrang init naman dito. Roxy, oh. Is huffing and puffing. Open mouth, Rox. Ito, guys, pang umaga to, guys. Yung nabili ko na moisturizer with SPF on it. What happened? Did you hurt yourself? Yes, you did hurt yourself. Kasi clumsy ka kasi, Rox. I put a watermelon on the plate. She ate the 3 pieces and then she left one in there. Alas, 8:30 na ng gabi. Pero hayag pa din. patungo ng paggabi na. We're going there. Getting darker a little bit slowly. Insert shout out guys sa mga friends ko dyan. Hello sa inyong lahat guys at saka nanonood ngayon. Pero may magusto magpapa-shout out. Isa-shout out ko lang si Babe Marinas at saka sa family niya sa Philippines. Family ni Babe Marinas in the Philippines. Hi sa inyo. Hi sis. Mafliki-fliki itong nose ko kahit nilagyan ko na ng moisturizer. Ano ba ito? So, talaga sakit ka na. Anyway guys, hi. Thank you for watching. Si Myra Lampayan from Laguna. Hi sis, thank you for watching from Laguna Bridge. Laguna, hi. Thank you for watching guys. At saka magpapa-shoutouts din si Mia Sandoval. Happy birthday Mia, belated or advance. I don't know when is your birthday, but happy birthday Mia Sandoval. And thank you for watching. At sa inyo, I know maraming mga silent viewers. May mga silent viewers na nagko-comment na sabi nila, I'm a silent viewer. Nagko-comment na sila. Pero marami pa diyang silent viewer na hindi nagko-comment at saka hindi pa nakasubscribe. Subscribe na kayo kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe. Gosh, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate it. It's already here now today. You watch this vlog today as in today. It's 10:21 right now. I'm filming right now, but later on you will see this 12 o'clock. Always you see the video 12 o'clock in the afternoon here New York time. So anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Silent viewer, hi. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye. Hey guys, ano na guys, time check. Ano na ba oras? 8:47 na ng gabi. I-in ko na tong vlog guys. See you tomorrow. Bukas na lang ulit. Itong aso, para naman silang mga baliw. Kailangan kong i-water itong plant ko muna. Misty now? Misty! Tumboy ka, Mits? Tumboy ka? Mangiyod makaglubot. Ay, nako. Kusog ka mangiyod og lubot, ha? Huwag mong lubutin si Roxy. Mahilig manglubot itong bayhan na to. Ano, tumboy ka? Di man ka makalubot. Tumboy man ka, di man ka makalubot. Huwag kay katuslok. Anyway. So, anyway guys. Yes, salamat sa panonood guys. Do you wanna say bye-bye? Do you wanna say bye-bye? Do you wanna say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Misty, say bye-bye, Mits. Yeah, bye-bye, Mitty. Bye-bye, Mitty. Yung lingi-lingi yung mukha. Tingnan niyo yun. Parang baliw lang talaga. Tingnan natin. Anong dinadagan mo dyan? Oh, maraming napapatay na guys. Maraming napatay na kasi maingay na siya. There's a tons of... Ano yung maingay? I'm kinda curious. What is that noise? Misty, that's a snake. Sobrang ganda naman ang flower na ito. Tignan nyo guys. Ay nako. I told you guys, they were gonna give me a nervous breakdown because of these two dogs. I have to water this kasi ano na siya, dry na. Anyway guys, good night guys. See you tomorrow guys. Mag-water lang ako ng plant ko. So, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Kita-kits bukas. Good night. Bye-bye. Good night, guys. Bye-bye.